Hey, good morning. It's Saturday, May 2nd. Here's your energy for the week for starting tomorrow, May 3rd, Sunday, through next Saturday, May 9th, which is my daughter's 21st birthday. Don't worry, she's got the whole thing planned out. So the first thing that came to me for this week was I got pulled to, it felt like I was landing in like the Tuesday range. And so in my meditation, counted forward and realized that's May 5th. And Walter's going to join us even though he just went outside. I promise he's been out twice this morning. So I landed on Tuesday, realized that was May 5th, realized that meant Cinco de Mayo. And one of my daughter's favorite terms that I sometimes use felt like shit fuckery. But I have to say, it didn't feel like it in terms of something like worrisome and dangerous. It felt like nonsense. It felt like an eye roll. So we'll just see how that plays out. And what was interesting is after that, I heard the word saint, and then I heard the words Saint Lucifer. You'll have to excuse him. He's just really being jealous that I'm talking to you guys instead of him. So if I had no like religious upbringing, I have no religious affiliation. I was actually like, I don't even know if Saint Lucifer is a thing or an actual saint or a person. Like, I have no idea, so I had to go look it up. Apparently, that is. I don't remember what I read about it now, but for some reason, that popped in. I'm just going to, especially me not knowing that that relates to anything, I'm going to say it. The other thing that I felt was, it felt like the second half of the week, like it was almost even an image of like laying on the ground with a rope and just like dragging you through the later part of the week. So, I mean, interpretation wise, that makes me feel like, are we, as a collective, are a lot of people going to feel like the energy is just absolutely dragging, or that we are dragging our asses through the second part of the week, energetically speaking? I know the last couple days I was really energetic early this past week, and the last few days I've been just absolutely dragging myself, which I do believe is probably the full moon. I know that the moon cycles can most definitely have an effect on my own energy. So something comes up second part of the week that feels like we're dragging through. The other thing that I just wanted to mention, I feel like sometimes I'm getting a weird mixed bag when I'm checking energy for the week. The most recent ones, I'm not always 100% certain that it's everything specifically for that week. And there was something about this coming week that felt that way again. One possibility, because I know I felt like April was like a wildly huge month energetically. Not that there wasn't a whole lot that happened in April, but there is still some like lingering, hovering below the surface energy that still feels to me like it hasn't finished playing out. And I don't know why, I don't know if that's why I'm getting something that feels like a mixed bag energetically. Like maybe there are things that may not happen exactly this week, but kind of like are just hovering below the surface. So I just want to say that part. Yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys today. I'll try to check in and see how everybody's doing. Let's see if there's shit fuckery on Tuesday. And so let me know how you guys are feeling. Happy full moon. It's still technically full, even though it peaked yesterday. I believe it's like a 2.5-ish or so day period where, each cycle remains. So I think it's still full right now. But yeah, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know how you're feeling, and we'll see how this week plays out.